Now we are going to explore the difference between dermal fillers and biostimulator, especially for those on a weight loss journey. Let's explore your options.
First, what is the difference between dermal fillers and biostimulators?
Good question. Dermal fillers like hyaluronic acid fillers work by immediately adding volume to areas that have lost fullness. Think of them as instant volume replacement. Biostimulator like a Sculptra or radiofrequency treatment work by stimulating your body to produce its own collagen over time. They're more like collagen coaches. They don't add immediate volume, but they help your skin rebuild its natural structure over several months.